In this tutorial, you'll learn how to add social icons to your WordPress website using a free plugin. Some themes come with built-in social icons, though generally that is considered bad practice. In many cases, it is best to use a plugin, like the Social Icons plugin by WPZOOM. At the end of the video, I will show you how to optimize the way this plugin works, something that many users of a plugin might not be aware of. Go to your dashboard and open the Add New page in the Plugins section. Search for the term WPZOOM. You will see the plugin called Social Icons Widget and Block by WPZOOM. Click on the Install Now button and wait for the plugin to be downloaded. Once it's ready, click Activate. Now let's go to the Customize page and open the Widgets panel. The Podcast Plus theme that I'm using has multiple widgetized areas. Let's start with the primary sidebar. Click on the Add a Widget button and select the Social Icons by WPZOOM widget. Check out all of the widget's options. When you add the URL to your social media profile page, the widget will automatically use the correct icon, but you can manually choose an icon from one of the 5 libraries that are included in the plugin. If you want each icon to be displayed on a separate line, you will have to enable icon labels. Let's add another instance of a widget to the website's footer. If you're using the block editor, you can add social icons by using a custom block. Click the plus sign and scroll all the way to the bottom of the list. Add the social icons block and adjust it to your own liking. Now let me explain how to optimize the performance of this plugin. By default, the plugin will load all its CSS and icon font files, even for icons that you're not using. To avoid that, go to your dashboard and open the Social Icons widget page in the Settings section. Uncheck all the icons that you know you're not using. In the MISC tab, I'm disabling the Social Icons block, as I'm not really using it. Now instead of loading 15 files, the plugin will load only 4. If you found this video helpful and you plan to purchase a theme or a plugin from WPZOOM, please consider using my affiliate link. It helps me continue making videos like this one. On this channel, I make videos about WordPress, search engine optimization, online marketing, and a few other topics. If you need professional help in creating or managing your website, please get in touch. You can support my work by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and leaving a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.